I've taken the bridge and attached it to a framework that makes up a set of rails for the car to move along. That's controlled by a computer attached to an Arduino, and well, I'll go into more detail on those later. I've used the Mech control system to write the program. This controls 2 servo motors for the bridge arms and a normal motor for pulling the car along. It sets the timings that the motors should run for and coordinates the entire lot so that hopefully we get it all running in a organised fashion.